I tried to open the bottle. It's
one eternity later.
So I just woke up. Now we will receive our iHerb product. It will arrive here in just a minute. So let's go.
Salamat na tagal magpasok dito sa loob. Tagal ng pila sa gate.
Ano to?
Pirma siya.
Scan.
Hindi, pirma. Pirma lang kamay.
Pirma.
Sige, lapag niyo
Lang
po yun.
ano natin. So here it is. Our kabayan kuya. So here is how they receive the item of iHerb. They will need to sign my signature. So my ugly signature. Okay, that's it.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Salamat.
you. That's all, kuya.
Oo, na lang. May order ka ba?
No need checking. Okay, thank you. Okay na, kuya. Thank you.
Sige, boss.
So here it is, our iHerb product. So I will open it a little bit later. So after 7 days, I received the product from iHerb. Big bottle. They notified it in 4 days, but I received the item in 7 days. The delivery courier is DHL from US to Saudi Arabia. I tried to open the bottle. It's the sealed here is a little bit open. I don't know, maybe it's from immigration or some checking. It's not fully sealed, and we will try to count it.
A few moments later.
78, 180. So it's a complete 180 capsules. We will try this one capsule before I sleep. But first, I will try this Vapor Vitamin 6 from Country Life. I need to try because I had a rough night last night. I can get to sleep. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video, and please use my code so you can get 5 to 10% discount from buying on iHerb.